Okay, folks, this is our mystery carving. I think some of you enjoyed that the last time, and we're going to go ahead and do another one. And I think after about 2 segments, you'll figure out what it is. Again, we're going to start with the cone project. This cone, as you can see, is a little bit shorter, well, a little bit longer and a little bit skinnier than our other cones. Let me give you the measurements. The measurements are not quite 4.5 inches, about 4 3/8 long, 3/4 of an inch at the top, kind of, somewhere around there, okay? And the bottom, of course, is about 1.25 inches by 1.25 inches. Now, what we're going to do, I tested this on a very small piece, and I think it will be a lot of fun. So I haven't made one of these before. It's brand new to me. So if I don't do it technically right, oh well, I'm having fun. Okay, here we go. What we want to do is we want to start scooping this out about 3/4 of an inch to an inch down. 3/4 of an inch should be plenty. Okay, we're going to scoop this side out. And I'm going to go from the side a little bit. I'm going to bring this in. I was goofing around yesterday with a small piece, and I thought, you know, this would be a lot of fun. Okay, so this is what you should have so far, okay? Can you guess? Probably not. Alright, so here we go. What we want to do is go down just a tad here. Let's go about here, okay? And I'm going to put a little stopcock for his nose. Alright, and then what we're going to do is we're going to go right around, try to figure out where this is. I like the no-see-em stuff. It's so much fun. It's so easy for a beginner to do. And I don't know, they just have a cute look to them. I'm going to come down a little bit. Made it a little wet with the rubbing alcohol and water to soften it up a little bit. If you're not familiar with what that is, it's half rubbing alcohol, 70%, and half water. Okay, bear with me, I'm dealing with a cold right now, and I'll do my best to not sneeze on the camera. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to go down here and we're going to cut this out. Okay, we're going to go over here, cut this out. Now when I get this project going, there's so much you can do with it, folks, to make it your own type of carving. So up here we're going to go down. We're going to follow this around. We're going to just bring this in a little bit. We're just going to bring this in just a tad. We have to bring this in a little bit, okay? And same thing back here. We're going to find out where the back is here. And right there. Good. Alright. Hopefully the dimensions will be good. I don't have any clue. I didn't make a full one. I just did the head to see if I could come up with something half decent. Which I think... Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep digging this out up at the top. So what we want to do up here, we want to leave probably about that much of it. Okay, that's where we're heading towards. So, I know that's not real clear, but I wouldn't use a pen. Pencil is a lot easier to get off the wood than pen if you want to erase things eventually. Okay, now we're going to find out get the bottom part here. Alright, now what we're going to do here is we're going to bring it in a little bit, but we're going to put another band around. Well, in fact, what we're going to do is we're going to round this up a little bit all the way around, take all those hard edges off exactly like so, and we're still going to dig this out a little bit further. Alright, I'll be back for the next section.